Thank you for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be doing this malachite and azurite crystal. I like to prepare the wire beforehand. I do like 20 or so wires before I do any pendants, just to get a head start, get the ball rolling. So the blue crystal is azurite and the green is malachite. We're going to place the wire in the back to get a good view of how we want it to be sitting. We go straight down the back and over to the right. Get a nice cradling going on with the wire. This is what I call a simple technique, where you're hooking some of the corners and just wrapping it through with just one wire altogether. So now I'm using the dowel tool to position the bail nice and tight. Now we're going to feed the extra wire through about 1.5 times, one full circle, and then we're going to tuck the excess behind. Cut off a little bit of that. It's better to cut off a little less at a time, because once you cut it off, it's gone. So just in case, you're going to leave it a little bit long, straightening the structure as we go along. Now we'll cut off that little extra. Squeeze that nice and tight, make sure it's good and flat. Continuing to straighten out the wires and tighten up as we go. So now we're going to go to the back and make a nice tightening lightning bolt, as I like to call it, just to get you a good look at how that part turned out. So that holds the wires in place. Now we're going to wrap this little end piece around what we looped through before. Cut off that excess. Squeeze it down as much as you can. Again, with the gentle pressure, holding the stone. I'm going to make that as tight of a circle as we can possible. So this is me kind of reforming the bail, making sure it's nice and taut. Straightening that out, kind of tightening the other wires. Always with the firm hold on the crystal. Alrighty, so now that we're done, I'm going to pick it up and show you guys front and back. We got the blue azurite, green malachite, squared copper wire, it's 21 gauge, 3 tools, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna throw up some still shots here. Thanks for watching Royally Wrapped. I appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe, like the video. See you in the next one.